Welcome to Heart and Parcel Self-Study Lessons, practicing all English language skills. Each lesson is about 1 hour and 30 minutes. You will practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These lessons are for lower intermediate to intermediate students, or Entry 1 to Entry 3 ESOL students. First, choose the recipe you would like to learn English with. For example, I will choose Lesson 3, Honey-Filled Buns and Chai. First, watch the video where Claire will make the recipe from start to finish. First, look at the instructions in the box. You can have a look at the video in a larger format by clicking on the video in YouTube. If you need more support with listening, you can click on subtitles here. On the right-hand side, you can see the chat. This has all of the students from the lesson and teachers to support the students. If you do not want the chat on the right-hand side, you can click Hide Chat Replay. If you want the chat, you can click Show Chat Replay. The lesson is about 1 hour. Listen and watch Claire make a recipe from start to finish using English language words. Try to answer all the questions that Claire asks you. You can write them down, or you can speak out loud, or you can think about them. If you need extra support, you can look at the students' answers and the teacher's comments in the chat box. Once you have finished the video, you can return to the website and continue to the next box. Click on the activity after the video, and this will take you to a quiz based on all of the words and ideas you've just listened and watched. Using your new words and your new ideas from the lesson, try to answer the questions. For example, like this. Remember, every question for each lesson will be different. Once you have finished, you can submit your answers and view your score straight away. Finally, if you have extra time, you can move on to reflection. Follow the questions in the box to get extra English language study. For example, write down new sentences using new words from the lesson. Answer questions based on the recipe. If you would like, you can leave a comment on the video with your answers to the questions here. You will need a YouTube account for this one. For more listening and speaking practice on this recipe and all the others, you can click here. And you can have more listening practice.